Codicil. Thank you so much for being a part of this event. Applauses everyone. Thank you so much. Applauses everyone. Congratulations. Next we have here with us Ms. Meher Patel, Young Women Leadership Award. The category is this. Can we please have you here on the stage? Congratulations. Ladies, such a young principal. Let's give it up for her. Congratulations. Next we have Mrs. Congratulations. Congratulations. Next is Mrs. Ifra Nasir for excellence in law and justice. Applauses everybody. She is an MA and LLB graduate, is dedicated to providing free legal services, empowering marginalized communities and promoting social justice. Congratulations. Next is Miss Preeti. Excellence Award in Education is the category she is being awarded for. She is an assistant professor in the Department of English at Raghunath Girls Postgraduate College, Meerut. Boasts over 15 years of teaching experience. Can we have applauses for her as well? Congratulations. She is not just taking care of Andhra Pradesh but also a social activist in Mumbai as well. Thank you. Now I would like to invite Dr. Namrata Tiwari for the Excellence Award in Healthcare. Many congratulations. Next is Ms. Rama Vijay for the award for the Best Interior Designer. Please put your hands together. She is an accomplished architect, interior designer and art therapist. Brings over 20 years of experience in architecture therapy and classical dance to create impactful spaces. Radhi Pandey for Unique Women Achiever Award. President of Marketing at HDFC ER General Insurance is a dynamic leader driving strategic brand growth, customer engagement and innovative marketing initiatives in the insurance industry. Congratulations, Shilpi. Congratulations. Moving on to the next, can we have Mrs. Minnie M for the category Women Icon of the Year. Congratulations. Can we have a big round of applause for her? She's a multifaceted professional balancing family and career with a passion for growth. With experience in commerce, nursing and operations, she excels in sales, marketing and problem solving, embracing continuous learning and challenges. Many congratulations, Minnie. Congratulations. Moving on to the next, I would like to invite Mrs. Lalita Lingutla for the Beauty and Lifestyle Influencer of the Year. Applauses everybody. She is a skilled beautician and cosmetologist. Many congratulations. I would like to invite Advocate Mrs. Kola Jayasri. Congratulations. Next, I would like to invite Ms. Mansi Bhuttan for Creative Healing Specialist of the Year. She is a textile design postgraduate from NIT Ahmedabad, is a print designer and creative healer. She blends traditional and experimental techniques to create expressive, intuitive designs that merge art, emotions and self-expression. Congratulations, Mansi. Can we have applauses, everyone? Next we have Sajida Abula. She's been categorized for Best Cosmetologist of the Year. She's an accomplished cosmetologist from Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. Is the founder of Sai Harini Beauty Clinic and Institute. Congratulations everybody. Can we have a big round of applause for the lady? Mrs. Vandana Chauhan for the category Women in Technology and Innovation Award. She is an electrical engineer and consultant, is the founder of Vaishnavi Electrical Consultancy, now VEC Design Studio, specializing in innovative electrical solutions and expert consultancy for diverse projects. Can we have a big round of applause? I think our consultancy is named after Vaishnavi ma'am. Is it? Congratulations. Thank you so much. Moving on to the next, we have here with us Ms. Harshini Kishore Singh for the category Young Icon Award. Is dedicated to empowering rural communities through technology. Many congratulations, Harshini. Next we have Priyanka Singh for the category Unique Women Achiever Award. Applauses everyone. She is a dynamic homemaker and certified Spanish trainer, teaches students of all ages, a fitness enthusiast and marathon runner. She inspires women to prioritize her health. A passionate Kathak dancer, she celebrates Indian culture. Priyanka, what are you? So versatile. Congratulations. 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 Is the founder of an NGO focused on community participation. Many congratulations to you. Next we have Bhavna Sahai, initiatives in education, domestic violence awareness and women's self-care, empowering marginalized communities including the visually impaired through Project Chetna. Congratulations Bhavna. She currently leads HR at Garuda UAV, driving organization success and growth. Many congratulations Vandana. Next we have Ms. Hashmi Bedi. Put your hands together. She is being awarded for the category Social Impact Award. She is a co-owner of Sattvic Eco Care Products, is dedicated to sustainable living, recognized with the Social Impact Award. She champions eco-friendly solutions for a greener, more responsible future. Many congratulations, Ms. Bedi. Next we have Ms. Preeti Mehta, Coach of the Year. She guides clients towards success with expert mentorship. Congratulations, Preeti. Next we have Ms. Kanupriya Kaushik. Congratulations. This is for the category Excellence Award in Education. Disciplines and is dedicated to transforming lives through education, one child at a time. Congratulations, Kanupriya. And business strategy. Congratulations. Next is Kamalika Bhattacharya for the category Author of the Year. Please put your hands together for her. She is a talented writer, has authored poems, short stories and editorials, blending passion, drama and love. She masterfully crafts characters and emotions, bringing stories to life with depth and authenticity. Congratulations, Kamalika. आपके नाम में ही कमाल है. Next is Dietitian Cream for the category Women Influencer of the Year Fitness. Please put your hands together for her. She is the MD of Cream Fitness Class, is a dedicated health expert, recognized as Women Influencer of the Year Fitness. She inspires and empowers individuals toward healthier lifestyles. Congratulations, Sri. Next we have Ms. Chanchal Goyal. Congratulations. Next is Ms. Nivedita Datta for the category Professional Women Achiever Award. She is a singer, music composer and CEO of ND Music Productions, produces and distributes original music globally. A renowned stage performer and music director, she has received the International Global Women Inspiration Award 2023. Congratulations. Thank you so much to all of you here. You can be seated. I know it has been a long journey to give away the awards altogether. But we have some more, but I'll be in the second segment. The panel discussion is Empowerment Through Collaboration, the Strength of Women Supporting Women. Welcome to today's societal expectations and personal obstacles. However, one of the most remarkable things we have seen is the way women come together to support one another, lift each other up and create lasting change. In today's session, we will explore how women can leverage collaboration, mentorship and support to not only break barriers but also pave the way for the next generation of women leaders. From overcoming competition to building strong networks, we will dive deep into the importance of solidarity and how women can empower one another in all aspects of life. Our esteemed panel of leaders will share their personal journeys and insights, shedding light on the power of unity and what it takes to truly empower women through collaborations. Let's dive into these discussions and learn how we can all work together to create a more supportive and inclusive future. So, to all the beautiful ladies, we are all here to support each other in whatever field we guys are working in. We are totally working towards pushing the other person because they are doing absolutely stunningly good. So, today we are going to talk about empowerment. We are going to talk about collaboration. We are going to talk about the strength. We are going to talk about support. And we are going to talk about the women. For which I would now request all of you to please put your hands together as I'm going to take the names one after the other for the panelists. Can we have Ms. Rekha Bhatt here on the stage, the musician and entrepreneur? She's the first panelist. Everybody please put your hands together. Next we have here with us Ms. Kiran Punjabi, the HR. Applauses everybody. Next we have Ms. Nigat.
खुशी की बातें आज हम सब इधर साथ रहे मंच मन मेरो यार लागो पखीरे मन मेरो यार लागो पखीरे जो सुख पावे राम भजन में जो सुख पावे राम भजन में वो सुख नाही अमीरी में मन मेरो यार लागो पखीरे में थैंक यू।
क्या बात है, आपकी आवाज में
मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है। अच्छा करना चाहिए, अच्छे रास्ते पे जाना चाहिए, वो हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट होना चाहिए। बाय दिस वे हम किसी को डरना नहीं चाहते, किसी का बात सुनना नहीं चाहते। क्या करना है अच्छे से करना चाहिए, ऐसे मैं किसी सबको मैं बोलती हूँ। अभी आज मेरी बेटी आने वाली थी, उसका MBA ग्रेजुएशन डे बेंगलोर में, वो नहीं आ पाई। मैं उसको कैसे मैंने उसको भी मैं बोलती हूँ, क्या करती हो सही करो, अच्छे से करो, बी स्ट्रॉन्ग। ये मेरा मैं सबको मैं बोलती हूँ, स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए, अच्छा करना चाहिए, हेजिटेट नहीं करना चाहिए, घूमो फिरो, मगर हमारा सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट तो होना ही चाहिए। और आपका क्वेश्चन है कोलैबोरेशन विद वुमेन्स, ये अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है मगर मुश्किल भी है। अच्छे से ग्रेड में थे, अच्छे अच्छे काम कर रहे थे, मुझे बहुत खुश नसीब हूँ मैं इधर आके आपके सामने बैठे हूँ। लोग बोलते हैं ना वुमेन कुछ नहीं कर सकती है, ऐसे नहीं है, कर सकती है, सब कुछ कर सकती है, मैन के बराबर कर सकती है, कुछ भी करने का उसकी इच्छा शक्ति है, वो कम नहीं है। इसीलिए मैं क्या बोलती हूँ, लाइक माइंडेड होना चाहिए, किसी से डरो मत, अच्छे काम करो, अच्छे से चलो, सब कुछ वुमेन कर सकती है।
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think that was very well said. एक जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए के लिए। मैम मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी अब, what challenges have you faced in male-dominated industries and how women supported each other to overcome them for you?
Very apt question for me. And before I start, happy Women's Day to everyone. I'm very happy to meet all of you. And since I come from corporate background, this question becomes very apt. So when I started working in corporate, not much, just 13 years ago, when I started with a manufacturing unit. And on day one, I went to the shop floor, I met people, and I saw all men around. And I was the first woman who was visiting that shop floor because I was the HR manager there. From there, I have seen a journey where today I work in an organization where we have 65% of the women in the shop floor, and they are coming from all small backgrounds. We have helped them socially settle in a town called Pune, where they are settling, they are doing well with their lives. So this is all with collaboration. Now what we can do, all of us are in middle, we have two hands. So what I always feel, on one side, we look for somebody who can help us. Ask for help. That's the very biggest thing.
That's totally true. We agree.
Yeah. In a male-dominated society, sometimes if you want to go further, the best thing is connect with each other, ask for help. So one asks for help, and in return, help to two women minimum. That's how we will be able to come forward in the society, in corporate or any field where we are working. और मैं आज का एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देना चाहती हूँ. I came from Pune in the morning, so I was casually dressed up, but I wanted to wear the sari, and obviously I needed some help. We can show where we are, who we are.
So you basically are saying that help somebody and that lady helps somebody, so it should go like a vicious circle.
Absolutely.
And a world full of strong ladies out there. Okay, thank you so much. I think your message was very strong. And ma'am, I would like to ask you, I'm sure at work even you must have gone through the tough times because of being a lady around the men. So what challenges have you faced and how have you overcome it?
A very good afternoon to all the gentlemen. For I wish a very happy Women's Day to all you gorgeous ladies out there. Thank you very much. Please take your advices. But most of all, I am reminded today, especially of some of those wonderful ladies who, my seniors particularly, who taught me to carry myself with such immense grace, determination, fearlessness, and to never say no to any situation that I might come across in my research. Because my research work has taken me on a journey from the poppy fields to the opium factories, from research labs to de-addiction centers, from policy analysis, to policy briefs, but through it all, I have always remembered something that they taught me, some very, very remarkable ladies, very early in my life, that no matter what comes your way, you must learn to take up challenges in your stride. And most importantly, what we are talking about today is collaboration. And I see it as a very, very powerful tool. Because you see, each one of us women has a voice. We all have a voice. But when we come together, you know what it does? It amplifies. And we are heard. We are heeded to. We are not overlooked or ignored. And that is what some of those remarkable ladies to whom I owe whatever I am today as a narcotics policy research scientist. Thank you very much.
A big round of applause to all of them. They speak so well that now I feel belittled, like you said when I was speaking. तो अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने बोला मुझे लगा मैं बहुत अच्छा बोल रही हूँ, लोग बड़ा एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. वी शुड ऑफन गिव गौरव जी अपने में इतनी ज़्यादा सक्षम हैं और इतनी ज़्यादा सशक्त हैं कि मुझे लगता है कि हमने कुछ करा ही नहीं जो इन लोगों ने अचीव कर लिया. हम तो शायद थोड़े बहुत टीवी पे आ जाते हैं, सो पीपल टेक बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट कि हाँ आई लव ऑल योर आंसर्स. एंड बैक टू द क्वेश्चन दैट व्हाट एडवाइस, आई डोंट नीड टू गिव एनी एडवाइस टू एनीवन, ट्रस्ट मी. Because you spoke about the collaboration. So when we particularly talk about the collaboration, we don't need that. First of all, primarily what we need to understand is the self-understanding of ourselves and the self-awareness to ourselves कि हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हम कितना कुछ achieve कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद ही तो आप collaboration की बात करोगे ना. Collaboration comes secondary. मैं आपको सपोर्ट करूंगी, आप मुझे करोगे, आप मुझे करोगे, मैं आपको. पर आप सपोर्ट कब करोगे? somebody said जब आप हेल्प मांगोगे ना. तो वो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, उस कॉन्फिडेंस को आपको अपने अंदर बिल्ड करने की जरूरत है. एंड दैट कम्स फ्रॉम विदिन. आप पढ़ाई करो, आप अपने अराउंड देखो जो चेंजेस हैं या कुछ गलत हो रहा है ना, टेक दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टेल दैट पर्सन कि ये गलत है. डू नॉट जस्ट टेक अ स्टेप बैक एंड घर में जाके मम्मी आज मैंने ना वो देखा जो गलत हो रहा था, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा, इस लड़की ने ऐसे बोला या उस लड़की ने इस लड़की को ऐसे बोला या फॉर दैट मैटर लड़की ने उस लड़की को ऐसे बोला. आई डिडंट लाइक दैट. दैट स्टैंड्स फॉर योरसेल्फ एंड आल्सो समबडी एल्स. उसकी जो सैटिस्फैक्शन है ना जब कभी आप किसी और के लिए स्टैंड लेते हो, वो इस दुनिया से अलग है. यू फील सो हेवनली एंड यू फील सो सैटिस्फाइड. आपको इतनी तृप्ति मिलती है, वो शायद ही आपको पिज्जा खा के या फॉरेन ट्रिप्स करके मिलेगी जो तृप्ति आपको किसी की मदद करके मिलती है. दैट्स अमेजिंग. So just help yourself first of all, build that confidence. Do not take anything which is wrong. Stop anything which is going wrong around you. Take that stand and tell that person and confront. इज्जत से करिए confront. क्योंकि लोग कहते हैं कि आपका जो लोग ना क्या करते हैं कि सवाल तो इतिहास में दर्ज करते नहीं करते वो जरूरी नहीं, लेकिन आपका जवाब किस तरह आ रहा है या आप किस तरह कन्फ्रंट करें वो इतिहास में दर्ज हो जाता है. तो आपको उसको बड़ी इज्जत से, बड़ी तहजीब से, बड़े पेशेंस के साथ उसको डील करना है, बड़े स्मार्टली डील करना है. दैट इज व्हाट आई लाइक टू. हम ऐसे 50 लोगों में वो हिम्मत आएगी कि वो आगे जाके 1000 को बोलेंगे. दैट इज व्हेन यू विल बिल्ड दैट.
That the first time when I heard you and you were speaking, I got goosebumps. Now it's the second time that I'm getting goosebumps. Awesome lady, I have never heard such powerful words. And it means so much for me.
आप चाहे पहले ले लो कोई डाउरी का, जब पहले केसेस होते थे डाउरी के लिए लॉज बने, उसके भी क्या कहते हैं विमेन ने गलत फायदे उठाए कि आज मेन also suffering. On this Women's Day we should talk about men also because see they are also suffering unnecessary. कभी-कभी उनका डाउरी के रूल्स का unnecessary एक वो लिया जाता है. I think you anyway as a lawyer you know very well. So yes, this women empowerment के नाम पे people just don't think about their responsibilities and duties. Rights are there, but duties and responsibilities should also be followed properly. So women empowerment, and women empowerment doesn't mean that men is downgraded or we are above men. Gender equality, we should talk, that is gender equality that we are talking about. So it's not that we are above anybody or any. As during our morning session, as Nikat ma'am was talking to everybody, that was a mind-blowing talk which resonated with everybody. I'll say. I am into education, okay, and education field, yes, we say is full of women, yeah, and I have been into teaching and all. But see, even my subject was maths. Maths was not women's subject during that time when I was. But now people are there, women are there because of this women empowerment. It's nothing that a niche field. That math subject is a niche subject that women don't consider, at least in our north side. Initially, means I was the only girl in 60, there were 60 students, and I was the only girl who took maths. So, during my 11th standard. So that was the thing, but now, as you asked about the taking disadvantage, I will only say the societal point of view. We need to understand, every woman need to understand that more than our rights, we should understand our duties and responsibilities. That's the only thing I can say.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think all the questions that I was provided, you guys have already answered most of it. तो मेरे questions के जवाब मिल चुके हैं. तो पर मैं आपसे मैं पूछना चाहूँगी, आपकी जिंदगी भर के वक्त में आपने कभी ऐसा कोई किस्सा आप हमारे साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे आपने किसी लेडी को सपोर्ट किया हो या किसी लेडी ने आपको सपोर्ट किया हो किसी तरीके से?
हेलो
It's okay.
हेलो गुड आफ्टरनून टू एवरीवन. सबको वुमेन दिवस पर हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा दिन है, नेचर हमको पैदा करती है और हम नेचर को पैदा करके रिटर्न देते हैं. ये चीज आइसोलेटेड नहीं है. एवरीथिंग सराउंडिंग यू इज एनवायरनमेंट, और कोई भी काम हमें करना है. मॉर्निंग से इवनिंग तक हमें कहीं ना कहीं पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है, वो मेल है या फीमेल है. और जब से हम पैदा हुए हैं, छोटे बच्चे थे तो खेल में भी हम एक दूसरे की मदद करते थे, स्कूल में गए तो क्लास में भी एक दूसरे की मदद की, उसके बाद प्रोफेशन में आए, रिसर्च में आए तो रिसर्च में भी एक दूसरे की मदद की और एक दूसरे से मदद ली. अभी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में है तो एक दूसरे की मदद कर रहे हैं, मदद ले रहे हैं, और आज इस प्रोग्राम में है तो सब एक दूसरे की मदद कर रहे हैं, मदद ले रहे हैं. तो इट इज नॉट इवन पॉसिबल टू आइसोलेट और टू रिमेन aside from each other. So we need each and everyone.
Thank you so much. I think those were very strong words. हर औरत को, चाहे वो औरत हो या फिर आदमी हो, हर किसी को किसी न किसी की ज़रूरत होती है आगे बढ़ने की. चाहे वो बहन हो, चाहे वो माँ हो, चाहे वो दोस्त हो, चाहे वो बाप हो, चाहे वो पति हो. हम आज सेलिब्रेट तो वुमेन्स को कर रहे हैं, बट आई थिंक हम विमेन का जो वजूद है, वो सपोर्ट जो है हमें एक्चुअली आदमियों से मिलता है, जिन्होंने आज हमें इस लायक बनने दिया कि राइट उनके पास नहीं है, बट हमें सपोर्ट किया, वो राइट उनके पास है जो उन्होंने बहुत ही बखूबी निभाया है. तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए here also for letting us be what we are today. Thank you so much to all our panelists, and here we would be ending our panel session. Thank you so much. जब मैं बोलूँगी तब लिखना है, इसको काट दो, strike it out. Okay, use another page. ठीक है? So whenever I ask you to start, only then you're supposed to start. If you have already written, please flip कर दो, अगर आपने लिखा हुआ है तो. ठीक है? On your mark, get set. I'm sorry. You have to keep writing your name. First name for n number of times. Till the time I don't ask you to stop. On your mark, get set, go. I will not consider that last one. Last वाला मैं consider नहीं करूँगी. Everybody now please count how many times have you guys written? कितनी बार लिखा है आपने total? Yes? 27. आपने? 15. आपका पेज फाड़ दीजिए आप. बीच में से थोड़ा सा फाड़ दो. Yes. आपने? 23. पेज फाड़ दीजिए. 34. Can I see? नाम छोटा है ना. 4 alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, Actually 34 यार. 34 से ज़्यादा किसी ने लिखा है? 42. What's your name now? एक और अल्फाबेट का. Can I see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 38. That's the right one. Can we have a big round of applause? I think. जितना छोटा नाम उतना बड़ा काम. और जितना बड़ा नाम छोटा काम नहीं. थोड़ा सा पीछे आ जाते हैं और लाइन में बस. So I think बस जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इन सभी लेडीज के लिए. ये छोटी सी मस्ती है जो मैं बीच में करती रहूंगी. Thank you so much. This was just for fun. So you all can step back. आप लोग पीछे आ सकते हैं. अब मतलब कब आते हो? अगस्त में आते हो?
जय श्री.
जय श्री जी. जय श्री. ठीक है. ओके. तो आप पांचों ने एक जहन में गाना सोचना है हिंदी का. नया पुराना चलेगा. बस भगवान से रिलेटेड नहीं होना चाहिए या देशभक्ति से रिलेटेड नहीं होना चाहिए. बाकी हिंदी का कोई नया पुराना गाना कोई भी सोच लो. धर्मेंद्र, मिथुन, आपकी मर्जी. कोई गाना 2 लाइनें सोचो. एनी 2 लाइन्स. सोच लिया? सोचो नया पुराना सोच लिया. मैम आपने सोच लिया? तो सोचो, जल्दी सोचो. आपने सोच लिया मैम? ठीक है. तो आप तब तक सोचो. आपको बस 2 लाइनें गुनगुनानी है और ये आपकी आवाज पे नहीं है. मतलब आपको 2 लाइनें गानी है और याद रखना है अपना गाना. सिर्फ 2 लाइनें, उससे ज्यादा नहीं. तू है तो दिल धड़कता है, तू है तो सांस आती है. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए के लिए. और ये चैलेंज जो है ये आप लोगों की आवाज पे नहीं है. आप लोग थोड़ा आगे आ जाइए. आप लोगों की आवाज पे नहीं है. सेकंड राउंड क्या होगा वो मैं बताऊंगी. मूविंग ऑन टू यू.
अपना ही साया देख कर जान जहाँ घबरावे. अभी तो ये पहली मंजिल है, तुम तो अभी से घबरा गए.
घबराने की बात अब आने वाली है आपके पास. वैसे गाना बिल्कुल सही चूज किया है आपने. ठीक है, मूविंग ऑन टू यू.
के पास तुम रहती हो, जीवन मीठी प्यार ये कहती. आए हो मेरी जिंदगी में तुम बहार बनती.
मुझे लगा मैम बोलने वाली है आए हो तुम मेरी जिंदगी में लाल बन के. शुक्र है बाहर निकला, लाल नहीं निकला. ठीक है, मूविंग ऑन टू यू.
तूने ओ रंगीले के सजल किया, पिया पिया बोले मत वाला जिया.
सबसे बढ़िया गाना मैम ने चूज किया. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए. तो अब आप लोगों ने फर्स्ट राउंड कंप्लीट कर लिया. अब सेम गाना आपने जितना गाया उतना ही गाना है. दोबारा गाना है पर इस बार तुतलाते दाना है. तो दो तकते बलिया तुतलाएदा वो दीदेदा और दो नहीं तुतलाएदा वो हालेगा. ठीक है, चलो विल स्टार्ट विद यू.
तू है तो दिल बदलता है, तू है तो दान आती है, तू है
नहीं ताया देख के तुम दान कहाँ घबरा, अभी तो ये पहली मंजिल है, तुम तो अभी तक घबरा गए। मेरा क्या होगा तो गला।
इनके दाने तोते सारे बाहर आ गए हैं।
लप लप दिल के तुम आओ, नहीं माई मेरी प्यार ये खाते हो।
अच्छा मतलब ऐसे आपने तुतलाना है, इसको लगी थोड़ा कि दांत टूट गए हैं हमारे। मतलब दांत यूज कर सकते हो आप, बस तुतलाना ही तो है। मैम ऐसे गाने के जैसे दांत और जुबान चले गए हैं। मैम लाल।
ताए तो दे दी जिंदगी मैं तुम तैयार बनते।
ओके मैम का कहना ही कुछ गलत था, कुछ अलग ही था। पहले मैम ने लाल बुलाया, फिर मैम ने दलाल बुलाया, मतलब समझ में नहीं आया। ओके
तूने ओ तंती ती लता तो दिया तिया तिया तोले तल तल तिया।
मैम ने कीड़े भी बुला लिए अब। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए लेडीज के लिए और एब्सोल्युटली स्टार्टिंग आउट। थैंक यू सो मच। मस्ती माहौल का माहौल है, तो प्लीज आप लोग थोड़ा भी बात का बुरा मत मानिएगा। दिस इज जस्ट फॉर फन। थैंक यू सो मच ऑडियंस। स्टेप डाउन। Next, I would like to request Miss Vaishakhi Das Chaudhary. Miss Vaishakhi Das Chaudhary. I think she's not here. Moving on to the next, Miss Alisha Ahuja for the category Women Personality of the Year. She's a digital engineering staff engineer, is a passionate IT professional with expertise in cloud, quantum tech and AI. Please put your hands together for Alisha Ahuja. Congratulations. Moving on to the next, can we have Dr. Rasna Aziz Amit? We've got a very interesting name. She's been awarded for Women in Technology and Innovation Award. Please put your hands together, everybody. She's a Senior Technology Manager at Carrier Corporation, drives advanced HVAC solutions. Congratulations, Doctor. Next we have Dr. Babita Singh, Government Ayurvedic, PG College and Hospital, Chowka Ghat, Varanasi, is dedicated to advancing Ayurvedic education and research. Congratulations. Next we have Indu Agarwal for the category Excellence Award in Excels in Student Counseling and Administration, shaping futures through her coaching institute since 2013. Everybody, applauses for Ms. Agarwal. Next we have Mrs. Malti Nair. Applauses, everybody. The category is Women Icon of the Year. She is Royal Crown at Altos Enterprises Limited, is a celebrated businesswoman with 12 years in direct sales. Overcoming challenges, she has earned fame and success, empowering women to achieve their dreams. Applauses everybody for Ms. Nair. Next we have Jayashree Raghunath Lokhande for Academic Innovation and Leadership Award. She is a dedicated head teacher and principal, is committed to academic. Next we have Ms. Chaitali Mukhopadhyay. Ms. Chaitali Mukhopadhyay. Everybody please can we have a big round of applause for her? Congratulations. Next we have Mrs. Mandu Sindhu. Put your hands together for the lady herself. Congratulations. Next we have Dr. Shivani Sood. She is the founder of Shivani Ayurveda Europe and Poland and Shivani Clinic Dharamshala. Dharamshala has over 21 years of expertise in Ayurveda. Congratulations. Next is Miss Maya. Congratulations to this. You're being awarded for Women Icon of the Year. She's a director of M Curate. Next we have Dr. Snehal Pushkar Abhyankar, Dean of Skill Development Cell and former HOD of Civil Engineering at Tulsi Ramji, Gaikwad Patel College, Nagpur, has 17 years of teaching experience. Congratulations. Next we have Ambika Pai. Miss Ambika Pai. She's being awarded for Women in Leadership Award. Applauses everybody. She's an Assistant General Manager Finance and Accounts at Can Homes Limited. Brings 28 plus years of expertise in housing finance. Many congratulations, Ms. Ambika. Next we have Dr. Salma Salim Pathan. As founder president of TT Education Trust, he champions free CBSE education and advocates for human rights and women's empowerment. Congratulations. Next we have Mrs. Ritu Gupta, BCom LLB. She's being awarded for Women in Business Award. She's a resilient businesswoman turned adversity into success. After losing her home and business in 1996, she and her family started a home-grade trading business, later pioneering a maize grinding industry in J&K. Congratulations, Mrs. Ritu. Next we have Miss Ritu Bansal for Women in Technology and Innovation Award. She is a Senior Principal Software software engineer with 20 years of expertise and problem-solving skills to ensure successful execution. Next we have Pratika Goyal, retail, innovative spatial utilization and a strong commitment to enhancing both functionality and aesthetics in every project. Congratulations, Pratika. Next we have Ms. Sohan criminal, matrimonial, check bounce and MACT cases practicing in district courts and Delhi High Court. Applauses everybody, can we hear your proposals? Next we have Colonel Mrs. Madhumati Dhar, the retired one, for Professional Women Achiever Award. She is the Director of Nursing at Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute Officer. She is an award-winning leader dedicated to nursing empowerment and patient care. Come on everybody, let's hear it for her. Congratulations, ma'am. Moving on to the next, we have Professor Rani Devi. Professor Rani Devi for Environmental Leadership Award. She is a distinguished academic and environmental advocate. Serves as a professor at Chaudhry Devi Lal University, Sirsa. With global experience, she has contributed significantly to research, teaching, and sustainability initiatives. Many congratulations to Professor Rani Devi. Congratulations. Moving on to the next, can we have Mrs. Rashmi? मैम आप तो टीचरों की टीचर हैं. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए के लिए everybody. Congratulations. Next we have Dr. Alpana Lasdan for excellence in science and research. She is a Vice President and Head of Lab Services at GenStrains Diagnostic Center. Is a molecular biology expert with 22 years in life sciences. Congratulations, Dr. Alpana. Next we have Ms. Manisha Malhotra for Women in Leadership Award. She is a visionary leader in logistics, excels in customer-centric strategies, operational efficiency, and client retention. Congratulations to you, Ms. Manisha Malhotra. Next we have Mrs. Shimra Sharma, Women Entrepreneur of the Year. She is the business owner of Poppycat Learning, creates home learning solutions for children with special needs, including autism, ADHD and speech delays. Next we have Advocate Astha Mishra. She conducts training and has received multiple prestigious awards. Congratulations. Excellent Award for Education. Everybody, please put your hands together. She's an accomplished educator, holds a business science honors and M Science in Physics from Miranda House, Delhi University. Next is Geeta Puri for Social Impact Award. Geeta Puri, a chairperson of Rakshak from Human Alliance Foundation, is dedicated to humanitarian causes. Can we have applauses for her? Applauses, everybody. Next is Mrs. Anu Agrawal. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Walia Farheen. With 16 plus years of expertise, developed India's first spectral library with ISRO and HIPFLOR is a PhD candidate at IIT Mandi. She excels in advanced remote sensing, inspiring women in STEM. Congratulations. Next we have Ms. Javed Rani. Ms. Javed Rani for the Best Soft Skill Trainer of the Year. She is a zonal manager at Quest Regional Private Limited, is an award-winning soft skills, motivational and beauty trainer with international experience at Sephora. Recognized as the best soft skills trainer, she inspires excellence. Chopsy. Can we have Advocate Gunjan Chopsy? Do we have you here? Yes. For Professional Women Achiever Award. She's a lawyer running her own law firm from Delhi, columnist in national and international journals. She is providing various support to women through her NGOs as well. Can we have applauses for her, everyone? Next is Jayashree Devkar. Jayashree Devkar. Do we have you here? Yes. For Women Influencer of the Year. She is a digital marketing strategist and writer dedicated to empowering women through her words. With a rich background of resilience and growth, she combines passion and expertise to inspire others. Consulting Private Limited and a passionate core. Next is Ms. Sangeeta for Excellence Award in with over 15 years of practice at Chaitra Acupuncture Clinic in Nasik. Congratulations. Congratulations to all the awardees.
Okay, done.
More power to you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everybody. Congratulations.
Ma'am, this way.
Share. All those who have already happened to take the picture with the celebrity guest right here amongst us, I request everybody to please move towards the lunch area for the lunch. Please disperse for lunch. Thank you so much, everyone.